Good afternoon. Here is the national news from BGI TV Current. I am Moriwe Rabila Lawal. First, the headlines. Tinubu to arrive in Lagos Tuesday for Sallah. Price of cooking gas dropped by 6% in May. Delta government calls for prosecution of newly promoted assistants. Max gunmen kidnap Ogun, businesswoman, and villagers rescue farmers. On sports, Osimhen beat Sallah Maris to win Best African International Award. The news in detail. Barring any last-minute change, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu will return to the country on Tuesday, a day before Sallah celebrations. A source close to the presidency confirmed this on Sunday, saying the president would spend a Sallah holiday in Lagos, the nation's commercial hub. According to the source, an advance team has already been dispatched ahead of the president's arrival. On Friday, Tinubu concluded his official trip to Paris, during which he participated in the summit for a new global financial impact hosted by French President Emmanuel Macron. The president used the opportunity of the summit to hold high-profile sideline meetings with fellow heads of state and government, global business leaders, and chief executives of leading multilateral and development finance institutions from around the world. He was initially scheduled to be back in Abuja yesterday, Saturday, but proceeded to London, United Kingdom, for a short private visit. The presidential mate to President Dele Alake announced in a statement on Saturday that Tinubu will be back in the country in time for the Eid al-Kabir festival slated for Wednesday. Going on to the next story. The National Bureau of Statistics says the average price of 5 kg of cooking gas reduced from 4,642.27 recorded in April 2023 to 4,360.69 in May 2023. This is contained in Bureau's Cooking Gas Price Watch for May 2023, released in Abuja. The report said the May 2023 price represented a 6.7% increase compared to what was obtained in April 2023. It said on a one-year basis the increase was 11.20% from 3921.35 recorded in May 2022. On state profile analysis, the report showed that Bayelsa recorded the highest average price of 5,016 naira.67 kobo for 5 kg cooking gas, followed by Zamfara State at 5,000 naira and Abuja at 4,900 naira. It said on the other hand, Ondo recorded the lowest price at 3,795.83 kobo, followed by Nasarawa Edo at 3,800 naira and 3,873.14 respectively. Analysis by zone showed that the North Central recorded the highest average retail price of 4,712.85 naira, followed by the Northwest at 4,550 naira. Moving on to Delta. Delta State Government has called for the immediate prosecution of a newly promoted Assistant Commissioner of Police, ACP, Chike Louis Nwabua, over alleged murder, armed robbery, and arson offenses. The Police Service Commission 2 weeks ago approved the promotion of Nwabua to the rank of Deputy Commissioner of Police in the Department of Operations, Plateau State Command, along with other senior police officers who were promoted to higher ranks in the force. Meanwhile, the Delta State government had indicated the newly promoted Nwabua in a case of murder, armed robbery, arson, and conspiracy, among others. From Delta to Ogun. A farmer, Ikolu Jimo, has been rescued by villagers who gave a 3-man gang of masked kidnappers a hot chase after they kidnapped the farmer alongside a businesswoman, Mujidat or Tefila, and her daughter in the Imekwafo, local government area of Ogun State. Information gathered that the operations happened in different communities in the Imekwafo LGA on Saturday. A source who spoke to correspondents on ground said the first operation happened when the suspects abducted Jimo, who was planting tomatoes on his farm at Sakwaru village in Isade Oha in Mekwafo. The source said they covered their faces and with masks and shot 5 times to scare people away from the farm and the Jimo. The source, however, said the suspect abandoned Jimo when villagers, including farmers walking close to the scene of the attack, gave them a hot chase. However, a few hours after the farmer was rescued, the same suspect repeatedly abducted a businesswoman, Mujidat Otefula, and a yet to be identified daughter. A resident of the area who spoke to correspondent anonymously for fear of victimization said the woman was kidnapped at a residence in Ojuidu Community Development Area, the Saleh Imeko Township, at the back of the Imeko LGA Secretariat. From that story, we go to the sports story to end today's national news. Victor Osimhen has won the Best African International Player Prize at the Ghana Football Award. Osimhen beat Mohamed Sallah, Riyad Mahrez, and Yassin Bono to the award. It's the first time Osimhen will be winning the award. The 24-year-old had a remarkable 2022-2023 season for Serie A champions Napoli. The Nigerian international was top scorer in Serie A with 26 goals and was also named best striker in the top flight. The striker had been linked with a big money summer with the likes of Chelsea, Manchester United, Bayern Munich, and Paris Saint-Germain reportedly interested in his services. With the sports story on a good note from Victor Osimhen, we end today's national news. Before we go, some headlines. Tinubu to arrive in Lagos Tuesday for Sallah. Price of cooking gas dropped by 6% in May. Delta government calls for prosecution of newly promoted Assistant Commissioner of Police in states. Max gunmen kidnap Ogun businesswoman. Villagers rescue farmers. On sports, Osimhen beat Sallah Mahrez to win Best African International Award. For more broadcasts on YouTube, our handle is BGITV Current. Kindly subscribe and click on the notification bell. Select option all to access all of our broadcasts. On Facebook, please like and follow the page. For other placements of your goods and services, coverage of events and functions, please dial the phone number streaming on your screen. Thank you for watching. I am Morire Rabila Lawan. Good afternoon.